Let's be honest, there goes a lot of time if we study from reference books like Cooper, Albert, Gilbert, Leninger, Voigt, and whatnot. And hence, a lot of students who are preparing for exams, be it for some MSc entrance or be it CSIR net, have been asking for PDFs and notes that might help them to cover the subject in short span of time. Though the reference books are the best to go for if you have enough time, but if you aren't having that much of time, then this video is definitely gonna help you. Instead of googling here and there or asking others for notes, you can just simply go to these websites that I am going to tell you in this video to get quality notes prepared by a team of experts without paying any amount of money. Hello everyone, this is Manisha Chauhan and welcome back to your channel Education Unfurl Biology. During this situation of lockdown, arranging notes has become really difficult for all of us. In the last few weeks, however, I have come across and found a few helpful resources completely for free that made finding notes a lot more easier. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys the top free websites where you can fetch quality notes from, and along with that, I will mention some other websites in case you guys want to go for those too. So watch this video till the end and you will have to ask no one from now on for notes. Neither you will have to pay for any of those material. So the first website that we're going to talk about is EPG Pathshala, which is an ICT initiative of MHRD to provide e-learning material for students for free. Yes, you don't have to pay for any of the notes that are added here. Let us open this up, and here we have the homepage of EPG Pathshala. What you have to do is just scroll down a little bit and you will land on a thread under this section of homepage itself, which is entitled Uploaded Courses or Subjects. And here you will find a big list of courses related to each niche, be it commerce, science, or arts, humanities, whatever you call it. Also, material related to education is added, so student teachers or the B.Ed students or ones preparing for CTET may also refer to this website. So here you can choose from a number of options. In these brackets, as you can see, it is showing the number of PDFs that are included in each of these. For example, there are about 565 PDFs for chemistry, 49 PDF for earth sciences, and etc, etc. And if you scroll down further, you will see the total count of e-text available and other things as well. Now let us see how to open a PDF from these links. Let us open this, zoology, which has about 184 e-text. Just tap or click on zoology and it will bring you here on this page, which will be asking you to choose a paper and a module. So for zoology, they have added notes for these many subjects like animal physiology, biology of parasitism, immunology, dev bio, principles of ecology, molecular cell biology, and molecular genetics, my favorite. And I would love to know yours, so just comment down below and let me know your favorite subject from biology. Okay, coming back to this, let us select a subject. For example, let us see immuno, which has about 36 modules. So now after selecting the paper or subject, select the topic you want to have notes of. From this module list, you can select the topic. So let us select one of these. Now you just have to scroll down and click open. This will open up the PDF for you and this is automatically saved in your device. So if we zoom into the PDF here, you can see the development team list that comprises of experts from DU, from BHU, and hence you can rely on these notes with all your heart. Scroll down a bit and you will see the content page. These notes are basically my number one preference when it comes to, searching for some topic or something. Reason for that is, number one, these are really informative. And secondly, here you can see a lot of flowcharts and diagrams and also the link of the different resources from where these have been taken from are added over here. And this makes it easier to understand and hence I find them better than the reference books if I am not having enough time to find the topic in the reference books and then go and study from there. And likewise, you can find other subject PDFs too here like botany, biochem, anthropology, and etc. Now the next resource that we are going to talk about is the one from where I downloaded the PDF for botany and added on to my Telegram channel, and the students demanded more of those notes. Actually, those notes were of Delhi University and hence this website is worth sharing with you all. The site is mydunotes.blogspot.com. On the home page of this website, you will find an arrow like this. Just click on this arrow and select notes. You will land up here on this page that shows the courses that it has notes for. It has it for commerce, for botany, for chemistry, physics, geography, zoology, etc. etc. So if we go on for like botany and tap or click on it, it will lead you here on this page. And you can select whatever subject you want to. For example, let us go for plant cell biology and just click on it and a list of topics opens up. Select the topic you want, like let us select cell wall. Tap on it and select your account from here, like I'll go for this one and then click OK. And here we go. Here is the PDF of notes we wanted, the Delhi University notes. So here you will find the table of contents and most of the PDFs have mostly colored diagram. One thing that add on to the goodness of these PDF is that after the content you have a section of questions under the title exercise. So you can test your knowledge too. But this website is my second choice. Reason, there are some PDFs that if you open up would show this page. For example, if you choose plant anatomy as a subject, you get a list of topics and if you click on one of these, like let us tap here, and you end up looking at this page. Else, everything about this website is just perfect. These can be a great resource that students mostly aren't aware of, but what I have recently been loving as a source of study material. Though these two are enough, I guess, but if you want to know about some more websites, then here they are. On examrace.com, on the homepage itself, you will find the link to study material under table of content heading. Tap on study material and you will reach this section on homepage itself. Here, select the subject you want to have notes for. I'll go for zoology. Open up a topic like cell cycle, scroll down and you will find the content. If in case you like this content and want to have a PDF for it, just tap here on download PDF for this page. Click on download and it will open up. These are like really short notes. Go through these, the language, the content, info, and if you find it relevant, you can add this to your list too. And they don't charge you for these PDFs. No, these are just free PDFs. Okay. Next we have freebookcenter.net. This is a bit not so my favorite, but still I'm introducing it to you in case you don't know about it. See if this is gonna help you out. I would suggest to use this site in desktop view to have a better experience and select desktop site in Chrome and here on the home page tap on your subject from this list. Scroll down and you'll reach the biology section from where you can click on these links and tap on the names or this icon and it will lead you here. If you see this PDF icon, then that's the direct link and click on download or view book and the PDF will be downloaded directly. The site is a bit complicated, but the content can be useful for research purposes if you find the right content and it might help you out for masters as well. On this website, I don't know how to pronounce it, but here you can access only a few PDF for free as shown on your screen, and if you want to have them you can register on this site using your email ID or your phone number and you will find these PDFs. These PDFs can be useful for the beginners like the students aspiring for CSIR NET Life Science. So these were some of the sites that I don't use much, but my needs are different, but you can choose according to your purpose as to what kind of notes you want to refer to. In further 2 to 3 videos that I will upload on this channel of mine, that is Education Unfurl Biology, I will be discussing about best sites to find quality MCQs and quizzes related to biology, or about sites where you can find reliable and up-to-date data. As you know, not every site out there provide you with data that is 100% assured to be correct. So I will bring out a video about sites you can trust 100% for biology content, and that too with latest updates. So guys, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of the same. And also your subscribes, your likes and comments will help my channel grow and motivate me to make more videos. So have a good day learners and keep exploring. Thank you.